Hello everyone, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why some businesses always seem to be ahead of the game while others fall behind? The secret lies in finding and acting on growth opportunities before anyone else does. In this lecture, we will learn how to assess your market, understand your competition, and analyze industry trends to find untapped opportunities. In this lecture, you will understand the importance of identifying growth opportunities, learn methods to evaluate your market and competition, explore how industry trends can reveal new possibilities. Growth opportunities allow businesses to stay ahead of competitors, meet customer needs, and achieve their goals. They act as stepping stones for expansion and success. Without identifying these opportunities, businesses risk stagnation or losing relevance in the market. Markets evolve quickly. Identifying growth opportunities ensures that businesses stay competitive by meeting customer demands and adapting to industry needs. Companies like Netflix, which shifted from DVDs to streaming, stayed ahead of competitors through timely adaptation. Think of growth opportunities like fishing in a lake. If you cast your net where the fish are, you succeed. But if you fish in the wrong spot, you waste time and resources. Businesses must learn where to cast their nets to succeed. Understanding your market is the first step in identifying growth opportunities. This means knowing who your customers are, what they need, and how you can solve their problems. For example, Starbucks revolutionized the coffee market by recognizing that people did not just want coffee, they wanted an experience. By offering cozy seating and free Wi Fi, Starbucks attracted customers who stayed longer and spent more. To assess your market effectively, ask these questions. Who are your customers? What problems do they face? What are they willing to pay for a solution? When you have these answers, you can create products or services that meet their needs. To grow, businesses must also study their competitors. This means analyzing their strengths, weaknesses, and strategies. A great example is Netflix. When it started as a DVD rental company, it noticed its main competitors, Blockbusters, wasn't keeping up with the technology. Netflix introduced streaming services, which eventually made Blockbuster obsolete. To understand your competition, look at what they do well, where they fall short. How can you do things differently? This approach helps you find gaps in the market that your business can fill. Industry trends are patterns or changes happening in a particular market. Paying attention to trends helps businesses spot opportunities before they become mainstream. For instance, the rise of eco-friendly products is a trend. Companies like Tesla used this to their advantage by focusing on electric cars. Today, Tesla is a leader in sustainable transportation. You can analyze trends by reading industry reports, attending events, or even observing changes in customer behavior. Businesses that adapt to trends often gain a competitive edge. These three methods, assessing your market, understanding your competition, and analyzing trends, work together like a piece of a puzzle. When businesses combine them, they can clearly see where opportunities exist and how to act on them. For example, Amazon used all three methods to launch Amazon Prime. They saw a need for faster delivery, market, noticed other retailers could not offer this service, competition, and recognized the trend towards convenience and online shopping, trend. Failing to identify growth opportunities can leave businesses vulnerable to competition or market changes. Blockbuster's reluctance to embrace streaming technology is a well known example of how ignoring growth opportunities can lead to decline. Choose a business you admire, research its market, competition, and trends. Write a one-page analysis on how it identified a growth opportunity and acted on it. In summary, identifying growth opportunities involve understanding your market, studying your competition, and analyzing industry trends. These methods reveal untapped possibilities that can help businesses grow and succeed. Let's discuss what trends have you noticed in businesses around you? Have you seen any local business grow by spotting opportunities? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.